You know what? I just got another bad review for Modern Family Dental Care for what? Our prices are too high. Well, let's think about that for a minute here because let's say you go to JCPenney's, you can buy a pair of socks. If that same pair of socks is on sale also at Nordstrom's, but you know the pair of socks actually at Nordstrom's is going to be a lot more. Would you actually give Nordstrom's a 1-star review? No, you wouldn't, because you know that Nordstrom's and JCPenney is a lot different in terms of your experience. And so you translate that to a dental office. For one, you got to take into account the experience of the dental professional, right? What training they have had, what what do they invest back in themselves to provide a better experience? What dental materials? Do they buy cheap materials or do they buy the newer, higher, more durable materials? Three, also the technique of the professional. Can you say that someone actually who has 10 years experience is a lot better than someone who has 1 year experience? Absolutely. And so all that combined with other factors involved gives you a better overall dental experience. So yes, you can find a dental office that is less expensive, right, or cheaper. But guess what's going to happen? You're going to have a cheaper J.C. Penney type of experience. Whereas with the Modern Family Dental Care, yeah, probably a little bit more. But guess what you're going to have? You're going to have some place that treats you like family, can give you a better overall dental experience.